Hello guys, welcome to another video. My name is Stefano, part of Gianluigi's team, and today we're talking about money prop, what it is and how it works. As you might have seen from the stories, the Instagram stories, it's an expert advisor that can be used both in prop and in a real live account. So let's show the live account. I think you might be able to see it now. I want to show you a little bit how much has been generated today with money prop. So it's 327 euros. It has a really low drawdown, so it's great and can be used for prop in general. All kinds of props can be used. It doesn't do arbitrage, so it's not a bot that then past the prop, the broker will give you problems to continue. We'll jump into my FX now. So let's see, it made 0.14, which means 327 euros. Here you can find the account performance. 10%, but guys, the profit has been reinvested as well. So you can see it never goes under. Anyway, they have been used as well bigger sizes. That's why it's mind-blowing, these results. And especially for those who want to do prop management, or if they don't have their own prop, it's a tool that will allow you to manage other people's prop too. If you have a group of people or there's a lot of customers that do have passed the prop but they don't know how to maintain it, you have a state-of-the-art expert advisor to do that. That can be used for maintenance but for passing the prop too. In our case though, we use it especially for maintenance. Here we find a little bit of the history. Let's see, open position, we don't have any, so it doesn't stay too much on the market. Let's go to the full history so you'll see 50k deposited. However, other funds were added as well. To date, with a deposit of 188,000, it has produced 50k. Of course, guys, we always advise to make the size small and to not exaggerate with this, because especially with some brokers, with the general ones for the prop, might give you a little bit of problems with the withdrawals. So do the right amounts, but then when you have more prop, that's the fundamental thing, you know. In case, for example, you have 10 prop and make you 300 euros each prop, it means you're making good money in that case. Above all things, make sure you don't overdo it, follow a suitable risk on it. It's normal, you can even do a 10% a month, but then the broker will give you some hiccups. Of course, we don't have any problems on the funds here. We used our own funds, our own capital. It gets even better in this case. However, you need only a very small capital to access to the prop. This is an account with profit that today made 2,000 euros. Of course, this is all live, a real account. Then this is according to the management and so on as well. The thing we can advise to you is to have a lot of prop, and for the people who ask when is this gonna be available, when we'll be able to get it, at the moment it's available for the customers, the current customers that are with us, either with Moneymaker or with the course 1%. They'll have it at a ridiculous price exclusively for them because they've been believing in Gian and the team for many years. So it's gonna be available to them first, and then we'll make the public launch to everyone, so it's gonna be accessible to all of you as well. So stay tuned for that, for the next videos as well, because we're gonna release some good and important information on it. And as you can see from the results, this is a really great, insane bot that covers the cost of the bot itself in one day with the prop. So it's, for example, looking at this closed position like that. This week anyway, to give you an example, generated 1,136 euros. That's a salary made in a week, not in a month. Of course, you always need a good capital. So the thing we advise you in this case is to be attentive, stay tuned for the next videos. So as soon as it will come out, the money prop, you will be notified. A good thing to keep in mind is that you can use these on all props, on all kinds of brokers, but when it comes to a real live account, you can use it exclusively on TopFX since we have a partnership with them. So make sure you subscribe to the channel for the upcoming videos, like this video and comment down below whatever you want to share with us. So we hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next video.